What's going on, guys? Today, can you hear me? What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys my newest favorite sweet treat, and I have a special ingredient that I'm so excited to share with you guys. I have my scale out because I definitely want to measure all of this stuff out, or the majority of it if I can. So I have my bowl and I have my measuring, my scale. Sorry, I don't know why I couldn't think of that. So I'm going to go over the ingredients and then I'm going to put it all together. This is like, I love doing this as my nightcapper, as an afternoon treat. Anytime I get like a sweet tooth, or it's not even that sweet, and you can make it as sweet as you want it or as not sweet as you want it. So the first thing I'm going to use is the yogurt. This is the yogurt I always use, and people always ask me about it. And it is Stonyfield Organic Greek 100% grass-fed yogurt. So there is another one that's like a whole milk, just regular probiotic yogurt, and it has a little bit more carbs. The ingredients in this is literally cultured, pasteurized, grass-fed organic whole milk and live culture. So there's 6 live active cultures in this, and I just honestly, I love the taste of it. So I just finished one off last night, so we're opening up a new one. This one is measured out. I measure it out by grams. I do like to mix it in. Don't pour out any of the liquid that might be on top. That is where all of the live cultures are, and you want to mix that in. So I'm gonna weigh mine out, and I'm doing 170 grams of this. There it is. And then, you guys have seen me use a lot of this stuff before. I'm gonna set that aside. This is the kind of collagen that I like to use. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it is Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. This is like my favorite one. It's unflavored. You can add it to your coffee, you can add it to your yogurt, you can add it to whatever, and it doesn't add any extra flavor. It's just a really good way of getting your collagen in. So, a serving is 2 scoops, but I only use 1. So I'm gonna throw 1 scoop of that on there. And because there's no sweetener or anything in this, literally it's just the protein. Then I'm gonna use this Complete Wellness C8 MCT. It's a chocolate caramel sea salt, and it is absolutely delicious. I've also used, I like to use some sort of fat. So this is kind of where I'm getting most of my fat right now. I've used almond butter or peanut butter, or you can add MCT oil to it, or whatever you want. I love the way that this tastes though, so I'm gonna use this. And just gonna add 1 scoop of that. And then I actually like to mix up the powders first, and then I'll add in the last secret ingredient. It's not really secret because it's sitting right in front of me. But it's something I got that's new, and I've like been absolutely in love with it. So let me just mix this up real quick. All right, so now that most of that is like mixed up a little bit, I can actually get rid of the scale. We don't need that guy anymore. This is Rosa's baking mix. It says Rosa's hot cereal, sugar-free, low-carb, gluten-free, and keto-friendly. I'll let you guys look at the front of that. Hopefully you can see that well enough. And this is a family-owned keto company. I absolutely love them. They also sent us some keto muffins and some keto bagels, and they were phenomenal. But I actually know these guys personally, and they're like the biggest sweethearts you will ever meet in your entire life. So if you guys are a part of the keto community, I would highly suggest like going and supporting them. I really adore them as people. I just think they're awesome. So anyways, this is actually supposed to be hot cereal, but I found my own way of using it. But I'm going to tell you guys the ingredients real quick. There is organic hemp hearts, organic chia seeds, flaxseed meal, and monk fruit sweetener and salt. That's it. That's all that is in here, and it is phenomenal. They do suggest mixing it into like something hot, like hot water, hot milk, things like that. There's 6 servings in here. It's a half a cup is a serving, and it is 200 calories, 15 grams of fat, 11 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbs, all of which are fiber. But I just add 2 tablespoons of this to mine. So I'm not even getting that many calories in. I could add it all, but I have found that 2 tablespoons of this deliciousness is perfect. It kind of like replaces the spot of granola, and honestly, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the chia seeds in here, but like it almost like gets like gelatinized a little bit inside the yogurt if you let it sit a minute. So usually I let my yogurt like sit for like 5 minutes before I actually eat it, and it is so good because it actually adds a little bit more volume to this. So just gonna mix that in, and tell me that that does not look absolutely delicious. I'm trying to hide my face because if you hide your face, it'll focus more on the food. But this is my absolute favorite. I've literally been eating this every day for the last 2 weeks or so, and it's a really good way of getting in like your extra collagen and MCTs if you want. I like this stuff a lot. It's a good way of getting in fiber if you want to get in a little bit of fiber, if you're seed cycling or anything like that. I just think it's a really great option. And then this is the yogurt. I eat this every day no matter what. I love it. I like that it has probiotics in it, things like that. But just super simple, super easy, and I thought I would just share with you guys because I think it's like the most clean food the most clean like sweet treat / snack that I have thought of and that I absolutely love every single day. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy that. I hope if you give it a shot, then just tag us or let us know that you actually did it and that you enjoyed like these simple little recipes and things. It's not even a recipe. It's just like I put some things together and it ended up delicious. And it's like that Fruit Loop smoothie or Fruit Loop milkshake that I made a while back. It was so simple, so easy, but it was absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna go enjoy this. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you soon.